In the small coastal town of Harbor Haven, there lived a woman named Sarah who was known for her unwavering faith. She faced the relentless storms of life with a spirit that seemed unbreakable. As the winds of adversity blew through her life, she stood firm, anchored by her deep-rooted belief. One day, a powerful hurricane swept through Harbor Haven, leaving destruction in its wake. Many homes were damaged, and the townspeople were left grappling with the aftermath. Sarah's own house, too, bore the scars of the tempest. Yet, amidst the wreckage, she remained remarkably calm. Neighbors marveled at Sarah's resilience, wondering how she could maintain such unwavering faith in the face of adversity. As they gathered to support each other, Sarah shared her perspective. She spoke of her faith as an anchor that held her steady, even when the storms raged. Faith is not the absence of challenges, she explained, but the assurance that even in the darkest moments, there is a guiding light. It's the trust that, no matter how fierce the storm, there is a purpose beyond our understanding. In the weeks that followed, as the community worked together to rebuild, Sarah became a source of inspiration. Her faith wasn't a shield that protected her from difficulties, but rather a lantern that illuminated the path forward. She lent a helping hand to those in need, offering comfort and encouragement. Over time, the town of Harbor Haven began to recover, not just physically but spiritually. The shared experience of adversity had forged stronger bonds among the people. Sarah's unwavering faith had become a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that, even in the face of life's most challenging moments, there is a reservoir of strength within the human spirit. The story of Sarah and Harbor Haven became a testament to the transformative power of faith in adversity. It taught the community that, with a steadfast belief, they could weather any storm, rebuild what was broken, and emerge stronger together. Sarah's legacy lived on, not only in the restored houses but also in the resilient hearts of those who had learned to face adversity with unwavering faith. You,